This is another brand that is made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC. They are basic builder-grade units and are sold by dealers in the USA. The WSA 3B units use a wire grill to protect the condenser coil from damage, but it does not actually do much against the effects of hail or things thrown from a lawnmower. The warranty on the units is not as good as other brands and does not include unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. The air conditioners have a composite material base pan for noise control and have a sound rating equivalent to moderate traffic on a road. They have a durable powder coat finish as well as all aluminum coils, which provide good resistance to corrosion but are harder to repair than traditional copper coils. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.